thunderstorms. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location: waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas, extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect through Wednesday morning. Tonight, southeast winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 9 feet with occasional seas up to 11 feet. Wednesday, southeast winds 15 to 20 knots. Seas 7 to 9 feet with occasional seas up to 11 feet. A chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe with heavy rainfall in the evening. Occasional seas up to 7 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Thursday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots becoming southwest 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Friday, south winds 5 to 10 knots increasing to 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon.